it is I, Grace. Oh, it's been a bit, I know. I'm trying something new with this PNG. Anyway, this is probably not expected, but it's still has something to do with gaming, I guess, since Mangle is from FNAF 2, and with the FNAF 2 movie that just recently released. I know I'm like a month late, but I tried my best. Before the FNAF 2 movie released, I offered to a friend that I could 3D print her a mask. She loves Mangle and she wanted Mangle, so I modeled and printed it for her. Okay, first things first, the materials I used for this mask. It hasn't loaded. Yes, I used Tinkerkad and, well, you can see what I modeled it with. A kind of like little Lego thing. Let me just reload. Okay, so I did them different colors so I can differentiate which part is which. But yeah, I didn't make like the outer casings, and this is the back of it, which has been Frankensteined. Anyway, basically there was a lot of attempts with this bottom drawer. Drawer? Tried so many times and this one seemed to work, except it doesn't still. I don't know.
Another one, and another one.
This is where rubber bands go. This protects the cheeks from getting stabbed by these, because I tried it on myself and it just kept stabbing me in the cheeks. So like, I need to get something that doesn't. And those are actually quite comfortable though. Yeah, it's sad how the face can't fully get in there. I did my very best to take these out of the way so the face can go in, with also having it align with the bottom ones down there for the rubber bands. Mask holes, I did one here and one there because it's a very big mask. I also made these little eye holes so you can see through them, and I made this open too because I didn't know whether her eyes would be down here or up there. But anyway, I made this platform and I made the little teeth as well and did all that, and I made these little engravings for where the chin goes so it doesn't slide out.